It's Cheryl from Chic Done Cheap. Today's video is a Michaels grab bag. They had them around mid-April, so I'm going to show you what I found.
Hi guys, guess what time it is? It's the Michaels grab bag box time. I noticed a lot of them were all Easter related. So the first Michaels I was in, they must have had 30 boxes to pick from. And I was like, you know what? I'm not going to buy it. Second Michaels I went to, my son was like, hey Ma, they have the grab bag boxes. I'm like, oh, their boxes look bigger than the last Michaels I was in. So we kind of like poked our fingers in and tried to feel around to find a box that had, most of them you can see had like Easter decor, like Easter baskets and grass. I really don't need that anymore because my kids are older now and whatever. So anyway, I bought one box, and then they had an open section that was $4 grab baskets, literally. So I got this for $4. So I said, you know what, I'm definitely getting this because they're these chicken wire mesh baskets with the burlap ribbon that goes around it with a bow. And you got two of the same sizes, and these baskets retailed for $20. And then you got a smaller sized basket in the middle here. You could see the smaller basket with the bow on the top. So I thought these were real cute because you don't even need to use them around a holiday. You can decorate your house with them, and it's all about the farmhouse look. So I thought these were real cute. So I have two of these, one little one, and then you got 3 rolls of jute cord. And I use jute cord for a lot of my projects and my Etsy shop. So I said, I'm definitely getting this. So for $4, I think this was well worth it. But let's see. I only bought one box of the, what they call grab bag, grab box. It's pretty big. I'll hold it up to the camera. And the reason I picked this one is because we felt this hard thing here. I have no idea what it is. But if you look through the front, which we were trying to do, which was peek inside, you can see it has green Easter grass in it. So it is what it is. But for $4, I'll keep what I need, and then maybe I'll donate the rest to like a preschool or something that maybe we'll see what's in it. I don't know. I did find grab bags last week that were all Valentine's related, and I was able to see right through them, and they were all like Valentine's cards and stuff like that that I don't use, so I didn't buy them. So this, we shall see what we got. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot of Easter stuff. So we've got green grass, more green grass, more green grass, more green grass. So that's 4 green grasses, 5, 6, 7 things of green grass. So, I mean, these come in handy for like gift baskets and stuff like that. Other times, we got 8, 9, 10. We got 11 things of green grass. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things of purple grass. 1 blue grass. This one's pretty. And it's actually not grass. They call it Easter grass, but it's like just like this one's plastic, so you could actually use these to decorate, like I said, other stuff. And then 1 loose egg just sitting in here. Another loose green egg. A bag of like shimmer Easter eggs. These have a price tag of $5. Who would pay $5 for this? I have no friggin' clue because I surely wouldn't. Oh, so they're all Easter baskets. Let's start with these two. But this one's actually not bad. It's just like a yellow polka dot, and you got 2 of them in here. So this one's actually kind of cute because the yellow ribbon can be used any time of year. And I could also change the ribbon out to something different. You know, even like Christmas, you can put a different color. So these had a tag of $15. There's 2 of those. then there's two of these cute little pink baskets. And these have $15 on it also. And then this was what we were feeling. Was this wood ashland, which is really cute, basket in these pretty pastel tone. This had a tag of $20, and there was two of these, one a little bit smaller than the other one, so there's two of these. This one's got a price tag of $15. Oh, another green grass. Another green grass. And I guess this is like a cake stand or something, like a dessert stand. And this has a cake plate. And this has a price tag of $20. And I actually like this because it's galvanized. I think I might chalk paint the bottom and get rid of the pastel. And we could use this in my new kitchen country decor. So not bad, not too bad. They surprised me with that. But yeah, so we have a lot of grass on the baskets. But you know, this is cute because it's plastic. It's thicker. It's not like stringy. So when I make gift baskets or things to display products in or stuff like that, they'll come in handy. When you wrap a present and you want to like put stuff in it, you could use them. So I'm sure I'll use that. I'm glad it wasn't filled with like tons of Easter eggs and stuff because I just have so many. But they sure did give you a lot of grass here. But anyway, so that's my $4 grab bag box. Let me know if you guys went for the Easter ones. The stores, one store had about 30 boxes and the other store had about 10. And then I managed to score this metal basket. So I was real excited with that. So anyway, that's my Michael's grab bag box review. Talk to y'all soon. See you in my next video. Remember what I always say, love, peace, and blessings to all. And bye for now.
Let's Get Social. Follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram and Facebook. The links are below, and I'll also put it at the end of the video. Bye.